And we're back. We're now ready to conclude our Chapter 6 video lecture. We are going to begin recording some more sales invoices beginning on page 311. Okay? So again, from our customers, I clicked on the wrong thing. The next client is going to be the Springfield School. So on the Springfield School, again, different options. I'll just click on Create Invoice. That way their information comes up automatically. The date is going to be 12/24. Terms already in. Invoice number 1029. Go down to the actual product or service. It's going to be the web server. We want to make sure the tax is added in. So the total invoice amount should equal $425. Okay. You turn to page 312 for our next sales transaction. I'm going to click on Save and New. Who is this customer? Well, for this customer, it's actually a cash sale. So choose cash sales for our next client. Date 12/24. Invoice. I'm sorry, I'm coming out of here. Let me clear this out. I'm not going to do an invoice for this one. We're going to do an actual sales receipt for this one. Okay. So I'm going to cancel out of here and go to plus new and do a sale. So typically we'll do an invoice for our customers, but if it's a cash sale, we're going on the sales receipt. So it's coming up. So again, we're going to choose on the cash sales. Date is still 12/24. Receipt number 1030. Okay. Payment method was by check. This customer paid us by check. Well, they were. So again, remember cash and checks have the same meaning when it comes to accounting. Check number 80761. We sold them one computer for $1,000. Got to make sure the sales tax is added in for $61. That total amount should equal $1,061. Okay, so I'm going to click on Save and Close. Now we have some credit card receipts that we're going to record. Looked like there was a total of 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 different transactions that we're dealing with credit cards receipts, and those begin on page 314. So if I turn the page, I could have just did a save and new, but that's okay. So we click on plus new, go to our sales receipts. And for my credit card transaction, I'm going to choose credit sales. The date is going to be 12/27. The payment method, invoice receipt number is 1031. Payment method is going to be credit card. I'll just click on American Express. The product is going to be the data storage. Quantity is going to be 5. Then there's one computer. $4,000. Total amount $1,220.15. Got to do some more, so I'll click on Save and New. And once again, it's going to be a credit sale, 1227. This client paid us by MasterCard. We sold 3 of the network products. Total cost is $150 plus add in your sales tax for a total $159.15. And look like we have one more sales transaction. So again, click on Save and New. This client paid by a Visa, so another credit sales, 1227. Payment method was Visa. Three different products, data storage. Quantity was 5. Network products. Quantity is 2. Webinars. Quantity was 2. So a total cost after sales tax should equal $456.23. Okay, so this time click on Save and Close. We're now going to pay some bills beginning on page 317. So we can go to our expenses. I'll just go to the vendors. Again, you have different options. Our first vendor would be the Ample Store. We're not going to pay them the entire $780, but we're going to click on Make Payment for the Ample Store. And this is on page 317. And I'm going to change the payment amount. All right. So the check number, so I'm going to uncheck. We're only paying AS23. So again, we're only paying AS23, so I'll have that one checked. And that check number is going to be 1061. And we're paying this one bill. The date's going to be 12/30. Okay. And because you're paying some more bills, I'm going to click on Save and New. The next payment will be for anytime deployment. $12.30. We're going to pay this bill, the HED 288, so add that bill for the $275. That's what we're going to pay. Okay. We got to pay a few more, so click on Save and New. The next bill is for the Cloud Z channel. We're going to add the bill CZ92 for $600. That's what we're paying. Okay. That one should be highlighted, which it is. Save and New. And now we're going to pay the conference call company. So as you all can see, QuickBooks is a very user-friendly software once everything has been set up. We're going to add the bill 121cc for the 225. And that's the last bill we're going to pay on page 318. So now I'm going to click on the Save and Close button. Okay. So now for the last part of the chapter, they want you to run some reports so you can see the different transactions. So we can run a journal report. So I'll click on Reports, type in Journal. Again, by now we know all types of shortcuts. We got to spell it right. Journal, there we go. And our journal date should be from 12/2 to 12/30. So kind of a custom date. So we'll put in a custom date, and the journal date should be from 12/2 until 12/30. Okay. And then you can see all of the, I want to go switch to the classic view. I don't like this view here. This is the older view that I'm familiar with. So this is the classic view, but when I switch there, I got to change my dates again. So let's go to custom. And no, you might like the new view. I prefer the classic. So I'll go to 12/2, again to 12/30. And then I'll press tab to run my journal report. And you can see all the different journal transactions in your textbook. Okay. And again, it will just tell you to export that to a PDF file. At this point, we should know that process. But again, once you run the actual report, then you can export it as required. I'm not going to do all of that. Next, they want us to do a trial balance. And the trial balance with no zeros, what we did earlier. So I'll click on my reports tab. And this time type in trial balance. I just keep misspelling stuff, don't I? Trial balance. There we go. And our trial balance date, the trial balance date will be for December 31st, or December 30th, I should say. And we'll run that report. And let's make sure our trial balance totals what they have. Yep, 100, 1,000, 091, 81 is our total. And again, if you don't want those zeros, you click this column, check non-zeros, and then when you click the run report, the account without a balance are not going to appear on your trial balance. Okay? There are some other reports on pages 328 through 329 that they want you to run in your system. I'm going to just do one more because it's going to be a customized report, which is your profit and loss statement. So this is on page 330. So let's go ahead and do a profit and loss by month. So I'll click on reports, and we're going to choose profit and loss by month. There it is. And we're going to customize it. So the period, so you're going to customize it. The period is going to be from 10/1 to 12/30. And then press on the run report button. Okay, so that will conclude our lecture on chapter 6. Be sure to work on your chapter 6 assignments and have a great day. Bye bye.